Good morning, good morning. Trade plan for 3rd of December 2024. Study as usual. Dollar index. Take a start or see. Dollar index weekly chart. Weekly chart yengba matamda still uptrend. Dollar is still uptrend. Sida pullback ama lae. Degi si magi trend si continue to over. Still uptrend. Pullback till 50% Fibonacci level. Then uptrend continue. Okay, let's go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame yang kanda here CG from this CG 50% Fibonacci retracement level ore sidagi CG daily gi then si move chila pa ore and we are expecting a move till here this point. Why? Because sidagi she say higher high, higher low, higher high right, fail. We will be moving till this point again. CC level. So this is my target for dollar index in the daily time frame. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. Here we can observe we have a W. There is a W there. So we have a W. W is broken, pull back, and then we are moving higher. And we are expecting a move till this level. So this is the plan for the dollar index. Now let's go to Euro USD. Euro USD daily chart yang baganda. Here Euro USD is still in downtrend. Why? Because here lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and still this high is not, the lower high is still not taken out. So now this is still downtrend and we are moving equal high is given here, and then we are expecting a move till here. So this is the plan for Euro USD. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. Here in the 4-hour time frame we can see we have a M pattern. Let's see here, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, equal high, then this neckline is broken. So we have an M here in the 4-hour time frame. So this is the pullback and we are expecting a move till here. So everything is in sync with the dollar. Dollar is rising and Euro USD is falling. Sila now let's see GBP USD. GBP USD in the daily time frame. Let's see daily time frame. We had an parabolic impulsive move from here to here, and then this swing is broken. This swing was broken. ID CG. Here we have we had a downtrend, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then this high was taken out here. But quickly it was taken back again within the zone. The post back out the 100. So it's still in downtrend, not uptrend. Again, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, and then when we see, let's observe the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see a change of the structure. Here higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then higher low, then lower high, and lower low. Here change of structure, higher high, higher high, higher column blue, lower high, lower low. So this one is turned into down. Now let's see USD chap. USD chap daily time frame. Let's see here it's in the uptrend. From here higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and then equal low, and from here we are pushing up again, and we are expecting a push till this resistance level. So see the levels low. So this is what we can see in the USD chart. And then let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Here we can see 4-hour time frame, this swing high was taken out. This is swing pull back, and then we are expecting a move again. So right now I am having two positions, Euro USD and USD CHF. Euro USD I have taken a short trade from here. My stop loss is here, and then my target is here 1:2. And then USD CHF, I took a long position from here. Once it broke out, pull back, and I took the position from here. My stop loss is below this swing high, and then my target is here 1:2. That's all the best everyone.